heads to Dynamics Tutorials, and in this Photoshop tutorial I am gonna show you how you can use smudge tool. Apart from that, I am also gonna show you how you can make these kind of cool pictures by using smudge tool and also some Photoshop tricks. So for that, let's get straight into the video. So first we have to copy this picture 2 or 3 times so that we can reuse this picture later. Now I am using quick selection tool here to mask my object which I want to smudge. So I am just making a rough selection here because my original picture is below this layer, and also I am going to smudge this layer, so I don't have to be specifically perfect. You can use any other tool like eraser tool, or you can use lasso tool to make selection, but I am using quick selection to select my picture faster. So after masking this layer, you can see that here is our main object which we want to smudge. Now right click on the mask thumbnail and choose apply layer mask. I have already mentioned that you can also use eraser tool for the same. Now go to the tools panel and choose tool smudge tool. This tool acts as a brush, so you can change its strength or even you can change its size. So trying with the strength 50, this strength is too low for me because I have to cover a long distance. So I am increasing its strength, and also I am resizing the brush time to time just to make my smudge look more perfect. Make sure to use your smudge tool in one direction so that you can see a one directional flow in your image. And also keep in mind that we are smudging the layer which is already masked. So after using my smudge tool perfectly, I am gonna set this layer between the two perfectly shaped images. I am masking the above layer so that only the portion which I want will be visible in this layer. So I am hiding my smudge layer over this phone here. After this, choose a new layer just to give this image a lightning effect. So I am choosing blue color here. You can choose any color you want. Make sure to use a brush with 0% hardness so that it looks like that there are light or rays are coming from the phone. So I am hiding the part behind the phone screen. After that, I am using some blending mode. How blending mode works, I have already covered this in my previous video. Link is in the description, you can go and check that. You can use overlay, soft light or any blending mode which is suitable as per your color selection. I am also giving this image a posturized look just to make this picture more cinematic. Now I am choosing an adjustment color lookup layer just to give it a tint of any color. You can also add some contrast to your image. At last I am using a black solid layer and overlaying it over all the images and all the filters just to make my background more darker. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like this video and also smash the subscribe button.